Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your AMD driver is not working. So in the search bar, you are going to just find device manager. Just type it in. Go to display adapters, go to your AMD, right click, and then update driver. You're going to then search automatically for drivers. And then as you can see, the best drivers for your device are already installed. If that didn't work, go back and then do it manually. Let me pick from a list and then select the second one and then select next. If that still doesn't work, just go to properties and go to driver. If the rollback driver option is available, you're just going to select that. Is going to just roll back to the previously installed driver that worked for you. If that again still didn't work, you are just going to go to Windows Update Settings to check for updates. Check for updates. If there's any updates available, you should do that. Update your PC, your Windows, and just restart your PC. Those are just the solutions that I have for you. Let me know if you have any other solutions that worked out for you, maybe in the description box, or maybe this one did not work for you. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.